here is your video. So we're going to memorize 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is our football team. We're the San Francisco 49ers. So the answer to this problem is 49ers, or just 49. 8 times 8, we're going to memorize I ate and I fell on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. And then 11 times 11, this is how I do it. We start with a 1 and we go up 1, 2, and then we go down 1. 1, 2, 1. 121. So those are the tricks that I teach. The next trick is times 4. So times 4, we're going to take the number that we're multiplying by 4, which is a 3. 3 doubled is 6, and 6 doubled is 12. So this means double. Double this number and then double it again. So we say 3 doubled is 6, 6 doubled is 12. 4 doubled is what?
4 doubled is 4 fourths is 4 doubled is 8.
And then 8 doubled is
16.
5 doubled is
10.
And 10 doubled is
20.
And then 6 doubled is
12.
And 12 doubled is
24.
7 doubled is
7 doubled is 7. It's 7. 14. 14 doubled is 14. I said 14.
14 doubled and is what?
14 doubled is it is 24. 8 28.
Okay.
20.
8 doubled is
8. 16. 16 doubled is calculating. It is wait, what?
So this is what I do. In my head, I say 16 doubled is 16 plus 16. Mental math tells me that if I combine this 6 and a 6, it's 12 plus this 10 plus this 10. So it's 12 plus 10 plus 10, which is 32. Okay. Here's your 9 strategies. You know how to do that. I just put them on here for review. And then 8 times 3, I'm going to show you a good trick. So you know...
9 strategy, so you don't have to review the 9.
So 8 times 3 is 8 plus 8 plus 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. And then I know that an 8 is grouped into a 4 and a 4. And I also know that 16 and 4 make a nice round group of 20. So in my head, what I do is 8 plus 8 is 16, and then I have an 8. And I know that I can grab 4 from my 8, and that'll give me 20, and then I have to add the other 4 in. So 16 plus 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24. Does that make sense?
Wait, 16 plus 4? Oh, yeah, there you go.
Okay, so I basically broke this 8 into a 4 and a 4 to make a nice round 20. And then I had to add my other 4 in. Okay, these are the tricky ones, and you can use your doubles or you can memorize them. I recommend using your doubles because that's probably what Roy Cloud is going to have you do. So I know that 8 times 7 is close to 7 times 7, and I know that that's my 49ers. So I'm already almost there. 7 times 7 is 49, and I'm going to add one more group of 7 because I need 8 groups of 7. So now I just made it into something very easy. 50 plus 7 is 57. 1 less is?
The kind of is 56. It's pretty easy.
Okay.
56 is pretty easy.
6 times 5, we know 5 times 5 is 25. So what's one more group of 5?
25 to 1 and give it 5 is 30. 30.
6 times 6 is 36, plus one more group of 6 is?
It's one more group of 6 is 42, 42, 42,
6
42.
plus 6 is 36. Now, I need 2 more groups of 6, but I know 6 plus 6 is 12, so I'm just going to add a 12 because that makes my life easier. So what is 36 plus 12?
3, 6. It is 46 plus 2. 48.
5 times 5 is 25. And then I'm going to add 2 groups of 7, which is 14.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. 2 more groups of 5. Sorry. Is 10. So what is that? 25 plus 10.
25 plus 10. Calculating 35.
And then if I know that 5 times 7 is 35, what's one more 5 added to that?
5 times 5 is 35.
5 times 7 is 35. So what is one more group of 5?
40.
And then if we can't remember what 5 times 7 is, we can always do 5 times 5 is 25. And then I need 3 more groups of 5, which is 15. 25 plus 15 is 40. Whatever way you want to figure it out is fine with me. Okay, any questions?
No.
All right, we are going to go over how to make a nice, strong paragraph about your first week of school. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to indent in, and we're going to tell our reader that we're going to be writing about the first week of school. So what is a good introduction for our first week of school?
A good interjection for our first week of school. Am I supposed to write this down?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get some space to write it down. What is a good introduction on the first day of school? I don't know.
So if you're going to be telling me, if you were just speaking to me and you were going to say, hey, Teacher Ann, this is how my first week of school went, how would you start? You wouldn't just say, it was great. You would say some kind of, I'm going to be talking about this right now. So that's what we have to do for writing. We can't just start in and say, it was great, because your reader's not going to know what was great. So how can you introduce that we're going to be writing about the first week of school?
We would say, I had a great year. I just know all about this year. All about the first week of school.
So that's a great title. Yeah. So all about the first week of school.
Yeah.
And then
I write it down.
how would we start our paragraph?
First,